In this video, we make some summary in working with IT devices. We use Arduino, ESP32 and ESP8266 and Raspberry Pi we used in some of our previous projects. Link will be below how it works with Raspberry Pi. Let's take a look on our project. We export screen from the project that we work with Raspberry Pi and export scripts that used in this project, ST scripts and FBD scripts that works with triggers and multivibrator that works under when button is pushed. You can see the LEDs mode is changed when we click the button, and also we add text from the Raspberry Pi project. You can see it bind to our Raspberry Pi server. We don't use cloud cards for this project, and you can see button is bind to pull down input and LED is bind to output of Raspberry Pi pins. Now let's open VNC with Raspberry Pi demonstration in Raspberry Pi. You can see project is opened teslascada runtime on Raspberry Pi, and let's upload this project on Raspberry Pi device. To do this we use load on device function of teslascada ID, and now this project is uploaded. Let's start it. You can see it's Raspberry Pi connected to Modbus device. In our case, it's Modbus emulator. We can change some registers. It's possible to connect not only from Modbus, it's possible to connect to Siemens 30CP, it's possible to connect to Ethernet IP on Bradley devices. It's possible to connect some RON and other protocols that supports teslascada too. Let's check Arduino Uno. You can see LEDs is switched. It's possible to change ESP8266 LED. You can see it's turned on, and ESP32. By using switch we turn on our red LED. And by using pop-up screen we can turn off all these LEDs that used for ESP and Arduino Uno device. Now let's turn on to the Raspberry Pi device and by using button change modes. You can see LEDs is turned on and turned off by using algorithms in scripts that we used in our project for teslascada runtime. Now we turn on and you can see yellow LED is switched. It's not displayed on our screen because it's too fast, but on the video you can see yellow red is blinked. And now let's turn off green and red LEDs, and to turn off yellow red we should release our button. It works on the algorithm, so when your button is off, green LED is turned on after 5 seconds. Now let's open our web interface in cloud-teslascada.com, and you can see the same states of our project. So you can see we can turn on, turn off LEDs on Raspberry Pi, and we can change mode, and the script is run on Raspberry Pi works. Our Raspberry Pi device works like server for Tesla Cloud, but we can also use clients. To do this, open Cloud tab in the project properties and export our project like client. We export it, replace old project, And now we can open teslascada client project. And in our case, we have to remove script because we don't want to run it on and in server and in client. It works only one time on the server, in our case on Raspberry Pi executed. And let's upload this project on our Android tablet. So we open this project in Android, and you can see we can monitor states and control LEDs by using our Android tablet that works on native teslascada 2 runtime applications without any web interface. It works directly, and we can change mode in Raspberry Pi device, and you can see the state is displayed on our Android device. Directly. It's possible to control it by touching our buttons, and it's possible to control our ESP devices also. You can turn on, turn off LED and control button state by using Android device connected to the cloud. It's possible to control other devices and other protocols. Unfortunately, our iOS native application teslascada runtime doesn't support cloud at this moment. So on Android device you have to work by using our web interface. So you can connect by using web browser to our cloud, and also you can control our objects by using web browser. You can see you can turn on LEDs, turn off LEDs, and control states of LEDs on Arduino device, on Modbus devices, and other industrial protocol devices. At this moment, web interface use only several libraries. I mentioned about them in the first video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask by using email, forum, or write comments under this video.